Hi, I'm Costel. In this video I'm going to show you how I collect an absorption spectrum using a Genesys 6 spectrophotometer of a sample consisting of total protein reagent and control serum in a proportion that is indicated by the manufacturers. 1 to 50 is the ratio between serum and reagent. So we are going to obtain the absorption spectrum of this sample. We are going to have in here the sample, and we have in here the blank, the distilled water as blank. We have the instrument in here. We'll go and in test, go to scanning. Okay, again, enter. We're going to the test name. So the name is the one that we saved before, one in absorbance mode, start wavelength 190 nanometers, deep in UVC, stop wavelength 1100 nanometers in infrared, sample positional 6, auto 6, which is the carousel, and the scan speed fast, and the interval 5 nanometers. So the measurements will be taken at 5 nanometers from 190 nanometers to 1100 nanometers. So let's run the test. Okay. Let's collect the baseline. Okay. So we are about to finish collecting the baseline. As you remember, in an earlier procedure, we obtained this calibration curve for total protein reagent, just for the reagent. Now we are looking for reagent plus control serum. Okay, we collected the base line. Now we need to place the sample in position 1, right? The light beam comes this way. Okay, so measure sample. Now it will start plotting the absorbances from 1100. So that's the starting point towards 190 nanometers. So as you can see, the graph goes up for a peak. Okay, somewhere in there. We'll identify later the peak. This one is in UV, looks like in UV, and we are about to finish. Okay. So this is the absorption spectrum for this sample, which is total protein reagent in serum used for control, in a proportion 1 to 50. So 50 parts of total reagent, protein reagent, and 1 part of serum. So looking at the graph, let's look at the cursor. Let's find the peak in the visible portion, the visible portion of the spectrum. So going down, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay, 4, 5. Let's see. 4, 9. So 6 wavelength in here is 620 nanometers. That's the lambda max for that particular peak in there. So this is the absorption spectrum of this sample consisting of total protein reagent and control serum in a proportion of 50 to 1, right?